Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching it. So the problem that I'm going to be attempting today is number 3114, latest time you can obtain after replacing characters. So going to read out the spec. You're given a string S representing a 12-hour format time where some of the digits, possibly none, are replaced with a question mark. 12-hour times are formatted as hours, hours, minutes, minutes, as hours, hours is the time between 0 and 11, and minutes, minutes is between 0 and 59. The earliest 12-hour time is 0000 and the latest is 11:59. You have to replace all the question mark characters with an S with digits such that the time we can obtain by the resulting string is a valid 12-hour time and is the latest possible. Return the resulting string. So here it's 1 question mark colon question mark 4. So the latest time we could get is 11:54. The length of the string is always 5. The character index 2 is always a colon. All characters except the second index is a question mark or a digit. The input is generated such there is at least one time that you can obtain after replacing all the characters. So let's go back to here. So for let's write down some ideas. So the first thing that I'm thinking is for each of the question marks there's a definite right answer there. So latest is always 11:59, right? So index 0 will always index 0 latest will always be 1, and then let's just copy paste this. So we've got 11:59, right? So what we're going to do is iterate through time, and then what we're going to do is if it is a question mark, then replace with relevant number from above based on index. Otherwise, keep the same. Let's go with this. And try and implement this. So let's take this, comment it out. So we're going to do 4-digit in S. What we're going to say is, then we need a new time. We're going to just call the time output. It's going to be equal to, well, it's going to be equal to a list, which we're going to turn into a string at the end. So for digit in S, what we're going to say is if digit is equal to question mark, we're going to say latest. It's going to be equal to 1 colon 5 9. So if digit is equal to question mark, we're going to do output dot append. Oh, we need the current index actually. So for digit in, So we'll just add a counter up here. Keep track of where we are. Counter is equal to 0. And we'll also always do counter, or we'll say current index. Cool. Output dot append s at index current underscore index, else output dot append digit. Then we're going to return output, but we're going to join up the list delimited by, or joined up by, empty string, so it's just going to concatenate it all. Hopefully we get something that's right. What is the issue here? Name latest is not defined. Okay, equals sign there. Wrong answer. The output stayed the same. So for digit in S, if digit is equal to question mark, let's print the digit every time. So quite clearly the question mark is there. So output dot append, oh S, it's latest. We never make use of that latest array. So so these all have to be strings because we're not dealing with actual numbers. We're not dealing with integers, it's all strings here. Oh, okay. I didn't think about that. Let's go back to our notes. So latest is not always that. So latest will always be 1, yeah, this will always be a 1, and then this will always be a 1 unless index 0 is a 1. In that case it will be 9. So it's 09 59. Let's go with that. So we've got 1159. Let's wait through. So here we're gonna say if current underscore index is equal to 1. We're gonna check if nums, or if s at index 0 is equal to 0. Output dot append, we're going to append 9. Else we're going to append 1. Okay. And then we could just say continue. And that will just work, I guess. Yeah. Okay, let's try this. The current index is a 1. Then it'll do this or this. Oh, I never increment the current index before looping back around. Okay, so these test cases get accepted. Let's... Oh, wrong answer for one of these. Okay. So with this example... forgot about that. So let's go back to our notes. So it'll always be a 1 unless index 1 is... So it has to be... So can it be a 1 if it is 0? Yes. If it's a 1? Yes. If it's a 2? No. So only if it's a 0 or 1 is not a 0 or 1. Okay. Okay, back to here. So we need another big if block here. Not the most elegant of solutions, but oh well. I'm actually going to try and add this here so it makes a bit more sense. So if the current index is a 0, and this is equal to, or we could say if index 1 in 0 or 0 1 so if it's a 0 or 1, append to 1, otherwise append to 0. Let's try that. Unterminated literal. We've got this, we've not commented it out. Okay, these pass. Let's submit and hope that they all pass now. Come on. Is it gonna work? It's taken an awfully long time. Oh, no, it looks like it failed once again. Oh, we also need to check if it's a... It could also be a question mark. That's also allowed. It can also be a question mark. Okay. That got accepted. Now let's... There we go. finally, there's quite a lot of edge cases there, which I should have probably paid more attention to. But well, it's past now, that's fine. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment. I love discussing these problems and their solutions. So yep, thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.